The Parliamentary Committee on Defence has decided to visit Galwan Valley and Pangong Tso Lake in eastern Ladakh a day after Congress leader Rahul Gandhi alleged that Prime Minister Narendra Modi has ceded Indian territory to the Chinese. Interestingly, Rahul Gandhi, Sharad Pawar and Sanjay Raut are members of the panel too. Addressing a press conference earlier, Rahul Gandhi questioned why the Prime Minister did not make a statement on the line of actual control situation and said that Defence Minister Rajnath Singh sheepishly made a statement on the issue in both houses of the Parliament. Over 14,800 people who received COVID-19 vaccine shots in Delhi on Friday in the fourth week of the inoculation drive. The authorities are now geared up for the rollout of the second dose of vaccination on Saturday for the beneficiaries who were given the jabs in the beginning of the exercise. As per doctors, the second dose is to be given to beneficiary after a gap of 28 days. A senior doctor at the Rajiv Gandhi Super Speciality Hospital said, "We are all hard up for the second dose delivery on Saturday." Under the nationwide mega vaccination drive launched on January 16th, a total of 4,319, that is 53% healthcare workers against a target of 8,117 were administered the shots at 81 centers across the city on day 1. A Delhi policeman was injured after he was allegedly beaten up by some people at Tikri border where he went on Friday to paste the posters of missing farmers, officials said. The policeman, identified as Jitendra Rana, is posted at Nangloi police station. He received injuries to his head and other body parts. The policeman had gone to the protest site at Tikri border to paste the posters of protesting farmers who had gone missing since the violence that broke out on Republic Day during the tractor parade rally, a senior police officer said. The injured policeman was rushed to a nearby hospital where he is undergoing treatment. A high-intensity earthquake of magnitude 6.3 on Richter scale jolted Tajikistan in Central Asia late on Friday night, leading to tremors in several northern states of India. According to the National Center for Seismology, the epicenter of the quake was in Tajikistan. The agency had earlier said that the quake's epicenter was Amritsar in Punjab, but later released a revised statement. According to GFZ, that is German Research Center for Geosciences, the quake struck the Tajikistan-Xinjiang border region at a depth of 86 km at 10:31 p.m., reported news agency Reuters. In his telephonic talks with Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Canadian Prime Minister Justin Trudeau commended the Indian government's efforts to choose the path of dialogue in dealing with the farmer protest and described it as a befitting in democracy. The Ministry of External Affairs said in a statement that the two leaders spoke over telephone on Wednesday, covering a range of issues including the coronavirus crisis. On the farmers' protest, Prime Minister Justin Trudeau commended efforts of the Government of India to choose the path of dialogue as befitting in a democracy. Ministry of External Affairs spokesperson Anurag Srivastava replied to a question at a media briefing. Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here, you can be our supporter by paying Rs 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying Rs 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our Super Supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.